crow pose starts with core compression. These drills will help you lift with control and carry that strength into tripod headstand. First, here we start lying flat on the floor. A nice long body. So the key is we pull our ribs in, our belly in towards the earth. We take a nice exhale, draw in like a double crunch, trying to get as close and small, rounded shape, almost just like your crow pose if you were to take this up in the air. So really feel strong release of the breath, pull the belly in. That's the first one. Next, we'll do it from a seated position. Legs nice and long. We place the hands further away, the harder the tuck is into the belly. So start about mid-thigh, placing the hands either flat or fingertips. You see both versions here. And we pull in and nice tuck. Third, we have that same push away, one leg at a time, drawing into the tuck with that strong top half with the arms, just like crow pose, what that would look like on the earth. Last one here, we go from half of a boat, we'll call it that, leg extended up into the sky. Still trying to push the floor away, so the torso is pressing towards the leg, and the leg is being pulled up towards the torso. So we're trying to find that seesaw place where the two muscle groups come together. Strong core compression with that one. As you can tell, one side better than the other. All right, and last, we check in with a little bit of tripod. So we have an equal distance between the hands and the head. The head is the top of the triangle, just like tri means 3. Same thing here. We get our hips over our head, and then we take the knees to the triceps. And then from there, we have this constant pushing the floor away. Make sure the angle of your arms around the elbows, 90 degrees. And we're tucking the knees into the belly, holding the strong core. And that's how we start.